Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. And the first thing I tell all of our customers when we have a design meeting about wrapping their Cybertruck is to go with the color that you like. And if it's only available in vinyl and not in PPF, that's okay. Go with the color that you like this customer. This is a brand new color from TMaxx called Uber Red Vinyl. And while, again, it's not PPF, it's okay because this beautiful color, which is exactly what the customer wanted, is not available in PPF. As a matter of fact, not from many companies out there. This one has a very specific metallic look to it. It's very Tesla, right? It looks a lot like some of the reds that Tesla has painted their cars with over the years. It's really cool, it is vinyl, and you know what? It's gonna last a long time too. And as you could see, we went ahead and we wrapped the complete exterior using this brand new Uber Red vinyl from TMaxx. It really comes alive in the sun, as most of the TMaxx vinyls and PPF colors do, and it looks really good on this Cybertruck. Now, this customer did not stop there. Like most of you, he wanted to change the wheels. And instead of going for the big 24-inch wheels, which I personally love, he went ahead with our 22-inch gloss black CTM wheels, fully forged. They fit perfectly with these Falcon all-terrain tires, and it's a really good look and a happy medium between the 20-inch size that Tesla Cybertrucks come with, the 24s that we max out at, right there in the middle, 22s. And the reason why he wanted to do that was he actually just wanted a taller sidewall over here, and therefore was not looking for that larger wheel look, which again, I think is perfect. But there's nothing wrong with 22s, just like there's nothing wrong with choosing vinyl over PPF. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.